This is an error which might appear when trying to open Microsoft Store. First, let's troubleshoot Microsoft Store. Click on Windows button, type in Troubleshoot and press Enter. In newly opened window, scroll down, click on Windows Store Apps and then click to run the troubleshooter. Wait for the process to finish. Now let's reset corrupted Windows Store cache. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin. If you get User Account Control warning, click Yes to continue. In Command Prompt environment, type in the given command and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish and check if the issue is still there. Now let's delete temporary files. Navigate to the displayed location on your computer. If User Account Control warning appears, press Yes to continue. Then select all the files and folders and delete them. Skip the files that are in use by Windows. Now use Developers tab to enable Microsoft Store apps. Click on Windows button, then click on Settings. In newly opened window, click on Updates and Security. Then in the menu on the left, click on For Developers and then mark Microsoft Store Apps Entry. After this, restart your PC. Now let's use PowerShell to execute a command. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape keys simultaneously. In newly opened window, in the upper menu, click on File and select to run new task. Type in PowerShell and check the box to run the task with administrative privileges. In PowerShell environment, type in the given command and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.